It's Mrs. S, and I am going to do a fun doubles activity with you today. So, when we hear the word double, we know that that means two. And so, when we think of like one plus one, that means it's a double. Okay. And in first and second grade, we use doubles a lot to help us in our addition. So, I'm going to flip my camera down to my whiteboard to help with this activity today. So, okay, so here is on my board for doubles. So if you have dice, which you can get them out of like any game that you have at home, you can get two out, or if you're just starting out in doubles, start with one dice. What you're going to do is you're going to roll your dice. Oh, and I got one. So my math problem or my math sentence would be one plus one. Okay, and remember, I can draw a picture of this. One dot plus one dot equals two dots. One, two. Okay, and then after you solve that, you can do something fun like one jumping jack plus one squat equals two movements. Okay, we can keep doing things like that. Okay, so maybe you want your first number to always be jumping jacks. I like a good jumping jack. Okay, and then we're always going to add, maybe you do, this one could be high knees. Get your blood pumping a little bit. Okay, and then this is going to be your total number of moves. Okay, so I'm going to roll my dice again. Oh, I got four. So now I'm going to do four jumping jacks and four high knees. So I'm going to jump one, two, three, four, and then I'm going to jump five, six, seven, eight. So now I did eight moves total. And again, you can draw your picture to check your work. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. And then you can add those together, showing that you got eight moves. When you're waiting at a restaurant, or maybe you're waiting at the park for a turn to swing, maybe you're down at Party in the Park this summer and you're waiting for a turn on those fun cars or on a blow up, you can do that. You can think of a number, think of the double, and then do that many moves. All right, so I'm here with a little bit more of a doubles that brings us a little into the next level of doubles. And this is something that we kind of see in second grade. So the first doubles video was our first doubles that we see, like one plus one, two plus two, three plus three, etc. In second grade, we're going to start seeing math problems like 24 plus 34. We might see something like that. And right here, I can see that their ones are the same number. So I know from my practice already with my jumping jacks that 4 and 4 equal 8. And then I can add my tens together. Two tens plus three tens equals five tens. And then I used my doubles to help me get 58. So those are some ways that you can do doubles. So maybe, let's see, I'm going to pick my red dice is going to be my tens, and then my blue dice is going to be my ones. So here's my first number. All right, so I'm going to have 21, and then I know that my ones are going to be the same because I'm working on my doubles, so that's still going to be 1. And I'm going to re-roll my 10. So now I have 41. So now I'm going to look at that. My ones are the same, so double 1 equals 2, and then I have 2 10s plus 4 10s, and I can count those up, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So my number is 62. So this is a fun way to practice some double math this summer with just some dice that you have from games. So let's do it again. So my 10s and my 1s, oh, we've done 4 1s already. Let's do, oh, and we've done 1. Oh my goodness. It just wants me. There we go. So I have 55. And then my 1s are going to stay 5. And then 4. This is a really great other thing that we work on in 2nd grade, and this is called regrouping. Let's see if you can see where we're going to regroup. So I have 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then I have 5 10s and 4 10s. That's going to equal 90. And then I had to regroup because now I've made another 10. So 90 plus 10 equals 100. So anytime you have a little time to practice, get out some dice. You can get a piece of paper, or if you have a whiteboard, or some like our 100s chart whiteboards you can find at Dollar Tree. Those are some fun ways to practice your doubles when you're also using them in a tens number.